Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back. Now, in this video, we're going to be working on some mixing fundamentals, and of course, you're going to be getting your mixing project. So you're going to find out how to do that in just a second. Let's go ahead and start by opening up a new Audacity project. Okay, and here we are. So right here, you could even see right here in the center, you'll see a URL, which you can go ahead and use to download this mix project. Now, once you download this project, you're going to go to wherever you stored that download. In my case, it's right here on my desktop, and you'll see this right here where it says mix, and it's a zip file. It says mix project dreams, which is the name of the song, and A flat major, and BPM 120. And then once you click on this zip right here, you're going to get this folder. It's going to unzip. You'll get this folder right here, and it'll have all the tracks in this project. So you're going to have your bass track, your melody track, a whole bunch of different drum tracks. You're going to also get this document right here, which is a Word file, which is just going to give you some very basic song information. The MP3, which is going to be my rough mix of the song. And then again, some more melody tracks, a pad, which is going to have the chord progressions, of course. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Word document real quickly. And it says Dreams, copyright 2013. Eddie Martinez, that's myself. It says this music is for tutorial purposes only. Of course, I want you guys to have fun with an experiment, but of course, anybody who misuses this or anything like that, just keep in mind it is copywritten. And then right here, you also have song information. The name of the song is Dreams in A flat major. Your chord progressions, just so that you guys know them. If you guys want to go ahead and remix this for this, this or any other lesson. We have the BPM and the song length. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this out. Cool. So now we're ready to bring this project or these files into the project. So let's go ahead and hit select all. And just exclude the Word doc. You guys obviously can't bring that in there. So let's go ahead and take that out. And I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side and bring back, oops, my Audacity project. Okay, and I'm going to move this to the side right here a little bit. Go back to this folder and just drag it on in. I think this is the fastest way of doing that. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's quickly loading in. Cool, and here are all our tracks, the tracks that we are actually still loading in a few more. I think we're about done. All right, cool. So we have all the individual tracks, but we also have the full track with all of it already mixed down. As you can see, this one looks a little bit different, a little bit more fuller. So you could either solo this one, or you could mute it. If you don't, then you'll get some phasing, because obviously you're going to be playing two of the same things. Basically, it's individual broken down track by track, and the full track by itself. Let's go ahead and just hear how that sounds. You'll actually understand a little bit more when I explain it to you like this way. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce the output because it's going to get pretty loud. And I recommend right now that you turn down your headphones or your computer a little bit, the volume. Okay. Let's go ahead and move this to the beginning of the project and hit play. So that's how it sounds like. It sounds a little, phased, obviously. So let's go ahead and go back to the beginning of this track and hit mute on this track, and then hit play again. So you can either do spacebar, you can click on this, however you want to do it. Very cool. So this is pretty much the project file. It's already been synced. It's already pretty much ready for you guys to mix however you guys want. You guys can decide exactly, how loud you want the kick drum, how loud you want anything, the panning, the directions of any of these tracks right here, of course. I also want you guys to have a little fun with, fading in, fading out, using all these effects that are over here with any of these tracks right here. Just basically have fun with it, experiment, and try to get the most out of this project by just having fun with it. There's really no 100% right way or wrong way to mix. I mean, the only way you could really go right or wrong with something when it comes to mixing is if you add, like, if it's too loud or if it's too quiet. But your whole mixing decision in regards to panning and things like that, where instruments belong, really goes to your own style and your own tasting, and what you've heard in the past, and basically what you feel seems right. So again, maybe if you watch the past video, I talked about this project coming up and listening to other people's music, so you can kind of have a guideline. Hopefully you continue doing that and you work on this project so that you can come up with the best mix that you can do. So that's pretty much it for that. I did also want to show you this frequency chart right here. Now, if you're looking at this frequency chart right here, basically it just kind of outlines all the different instruments that can be in a project and where they lie in the frequency spectrum. As you can see, some instruments, or actually most of these instruments, will lie within other instrument groups' frequencies. So understanding this is actually very helpful. For example, if you could tell that, let's say, a regular guitar and a bass guitar have a lot of the same frequency range, you're not going to want to mix both of these tracks right next to each other. So you're not going to want to mix, for example, the bass track on the right, let's say at 16 degrees, and also the guitar track at 16 degrees. The reason why is because since they have the same frequency range, basically either the guitar will get lost or the bass will get lost or drowned out in some sort of way, or get muddy or fuzzy and not really sound right. You're going to want to mix these tracks maybe on opposite sides, because their frequency range is right around the same area. And a good thing about mixing like that is that you're going to make your music sound a lot more full. Each instrument's going to have its own place in the song, so it definitely helps with making a better mix. So definitely recommend taking a good hard look at this frequency chart right here, and of course, have fun. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're watching this video and you're not currently enrolled to the Recording Connection, this is only a small taste of what you could be learning in our program. The Recording Connection provides all of our students with industry standard software like Pro Tools to take your engineering skills to the next level. We also provide books with excellent lesson plans, a professional studio engineer who will mentor you and show you how to operate real studio equipment, and so much more. With the Recording Connection, getting finance is a breeze. We have many different tuition options, so getting hooked up at a studio near you is fast and easy. For more information, check out www.recordingconnection.com. And of course, I'll catch you guys on the next video.